Good morning, champs. Let's solve the integral of natural log of x. At first glance, this looks simple, but we cannot integrate it directly. So we use integration by parts. Quick reminder, integration by parts says u times v minus the integral of v du. Now we choose u equal to natural log of x and dv equals dx. Then du becomes 1 over x dx and v becomes x. Now apply the formula. We get x times natural log of x minus the integral of x times 1 over x. That simplifies to the integral of 1. So the final answer is x natural log of x minus x plus c. Quick takeaway. Whenever you see natural log of x, integration by parts is usually the way to go.